guys, what are we gonna do today? Something fun, fast, and really, really easy. I'm kind of showing off my new exploration transfer. We're doing simple file folder art. Wouldn't that be fun just to hang on your wall? Okay, let's get started. Okay, so to do this really simple art, I'm using this file folder, and I happen to have a lot of these craft file folders, but you could use any one that you have. And I'm gonna do a wash of paint over this. I'm gonna be using transfers and paints, so maybe pick your transfers you're going to use on it and coordinate the colors you'd like behind it. And I'm watering down my paints quite a bit. So just using a little water and a little bit of paint. It doesn't really matter which color you put on first. You're gonna see, because I may use a dark blue, a white, and then maybe a light blue again. After you start getting it put together, you're gonna see what colors you want showing through. You really could do this process on metal, glass, wood. Now this blue is a lot darker, and I'm just kind of mixing it in while this paint is still wet. A little bit of water. Now, if you even wanted it darker, you could add some more dark blue. I think add just a little bit, an off-white, but not much. I'm just gonna let this dry. So I think for this one, I'm going to use some nautical pieces. I think that would be fun. And I want this to be a very fun, simple design. I let the paint dry well, and it really stuck well. So then I'm going to wax it afterwards. Guys, how much easier do we get than this? You could even add some fun words. What we're gonna do next is wax it, and then we are done. I am just gonna use a clear wax. A little bit of the brown file folder comes through, which I really like. And there you go. So I hope you guys thought this was fun. It really is so easy. So you can see you can use any transfer you have. I used my florals on this one, but I think this just comes out really cute. It's very simplistic, but it's really fun. Whatever you guys do, you know, have fun.